Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can enable and disable flashlight on Motorola Moto G04 and G04s. The first thing that we can do is open the quick access, so swipe from the top to the bottom in order to see the list of additional features, and do that one more time in order to see even more. And then somewhere over here you should find the flashlight. Keep in mind that you can also scroll through different pages if you have them, if you can find it on the first page, and simply tap on it in order to enable flashlight and turn it off. The flashlight is of course located over here at the back, so if you turn it on, then as you can see, this is how it looks like. Now, in addition to that, we can also enable a gesture that will make it easier for you to enable and disable the flashlight. You can go to the settings. Now let's go back to the main settings, and in the settings you want to find gestures. Go to gestures. And finally over here you have fast flashlight. If you go over here, you will see the option and the preview how it looks like if you have this option enabled. So if you want to use, if you want to shake twice in order to enable or disable flashlight, then you can turn it on over here. And with this option enabled, if we go back and if I turn around my smartphone, then now if I shake it twice, one more time, there we go. Now the flashlight is enabled. And if I shake it one more time, there we go, now it's disabled. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.